Hey guys, how's it going? I am Nate, the marketer, and I want to share this video with you because as we enter 2022, we're in a killer time where you can make a lot of money and a lot of different opportunities as we're finding out, aside from just working a job. And as we enter 2022, what I wanted to make here was a very quick, simple video that you can use to begin to explore making money online if that is a goal of yours this year. And we're going to go into what's actually working, what's not working. Keep this video short and simple so you can take these action steps and begin to explore the different ways you can make money online. So, to jump right in, warning: if sexy money is what you want, the quick, the fast, make thousands of dollars in a day, this is not the video for you. If you're looking for that fast make money stuff, you can go look at all the other gimmicks out there. This isn't the video for that. This is just tried and true methods that you can use that take time and money, but can help you make a lot more money in return. So, rule number one: quick money does not exist online. If you're after the quick, the fast, the easy, unfortunately, got some news for you. It doesn't exist. Now, that's not sexy, but that does not mean there aren't ways that you can make a lot of money online. There are. It's just it's not going to happen quick and it's not going to happen fast, right? So, if again that's what you want, not the video for that. But I will show you ways to help you make money online if you're willing to work for it. And then rule number two. So remember rule number one: there are no quick and fast ways to this game. So with that said, I'm going to jump right into the top four ways to help you make money online in 2022 without the BS and without the gimmicks. Right? So we'll dive right in. First option: affiliate marketing. This is a super popular option because the products are already made for you and all you have to do is just sell them and you get a commission, right? Very simple. An example of this is a site called Bluehost, which is a website hosting site, a service, I'm sorry. And what they do is they pay you out a commission every time you sign someone up for their software, right? So you earn 65 bucks for every qualified hosting purchase. It couldn't be more simple, right? And the nice part about this is that there's a bunch of other sites out there that do the same thing. So in terms of you selling this site, you have different options. You can use a website, a blog, an email list. There's a bunch of different ways out there. I won't go into the nooks and crannies, but there's a lot of ways to make money, right? And the nice part is once you set that asset up, right, and you get the traffic coming to it, you can make money on it repeatedly. So a pro here is that it's passive income once you get it working. A big con here is that it requires money and time to get it working. There's site setup, traffic generation, SEO, right? A lot of little things that are not talked about up front, but actually make a huge difference, right? Because there's a lot of courses out there that say you can do this stuff in like 2 weeks and you already see the videos. It takes longer than that. Trust me, it will save you a lot of time, right? But it can be done, right, with the right resources. So this is one option you have, but I recommend using this if you have time and money to invest. If not, on to the next thing. The next thing is drop shipping. Drop shipping is great because you buy existing products for cheaper and sell them at a higher price, right? Amazon FBA, great option for that. If you found this video, you've probably already seen make money options. This is still a valid option because people are already buying products, right? And you just have to source them for cheaper, sell them for more, right? Now, the pros here is that it is a good source of passive income, right? With good margins if you can find the right products. But the cons is that there are costs associated with buying products. They're not guaranteed to sell. And then you still have to rank in Amazon if you want to sell on there, for example, right? Or there's ongoing costs like maintaining an e-com store and things like that. So I would only use this strategy if you have an actual solid strategy to compete. And again, it's going to require some time and money, right? So, but this is another option. The third option: work from home jobs. This is a very good option, but it's important to look for legitimate jobs. Most of these work from home jobs out there are scams. So, what I highly recommend is applying for remote jobs from actual companies like Amazon Customer Care. Why? Because Amazon, for example, their business has exploded during this pandemic and beyond, right? And so, because of that, they need help with finding more customer sales reps. So here's an example of a job application from Amazon that's good anywhere and no experience needed, and it pays well, and you get full benefits. It does not get better than that, right? So if you want a stable source of income, jobs like Amazon where you can work remote, still get benefits, right? Perfect avenue, right? These are great pros about it. Uh, Now, one of the cons will be is that it will be competitive, right? A lot of people will apply for that, but that should not dissuade you from applying, because if companies like Amazon have it, other companies as well will also have it, because they get the benefits of less overhead and a bunch of other perks that they can then pass on those savings to you in the form of higher pay, and you work from home, right? Best of both worlds. So this is an option here. And then finally, building a skill in digital marketing. This is my favorite, right? What most people don't realize is that there is a multi-billion-dollar industry out there where businesses are looking for people to help them grow, right? And marketing and sales are two of the biggest ways these businesses grow, right? Two of the biggest ways. And so they need help with a bunch of smaller little things that go into that, like copywriting, where you write articles, pages, VSLs, webinars, funnels. There's so many things you can write that help contribute to making more money. And then there's things like media buying, right? Running the ads for these businesses when through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. um, there's funnel design where you actually build the landing pages that you see, like this, for example, right? They will pay tens of thousands of dollars to have this stuff done. And graphic design, video production. Guys, the options are endless. There are so many cool ways that you can make an income by learning these skills. And I included some resources here, and I'm going to include the doc at the bottom of this video. But these are a few different sites where you can begin to build those skills, right? And so one of the big pros here about building these skills is that when you build this skill, this is something you can take to work at ad agencies, which will often take you on if you're brand new, but you're hungry to like build a portfolio and build skills. And you can eventually take those skills and turn it into a multi-million dollar business if you choose to do that, right? Many people who refine their craft in online marketing with the skill that they have can go on to make 6 or 7 figures very quickly and easily if they dedicate their time to the craft, like any skill, right? So, an unsexy con here is that this is hard work. It's not passive, right? And it requires a lot of exposure to the field. It will require a lot of Google searching, right? A lot of getting involved in the space, looking into Facebook groups, right? Getting out there and getting into the field of online marketing and understanding the different ways you can make money. And one of the things I will do in this channel is we're going to go deeper into these different options so you can learn the different skills out there that you can develop, right, to make more money. But, guys, when you just get even decent at building skills that help businesses make more money, I can't stress enough that financially, the sky is the limit. So this is by far my favorite option because it puts you in control. It gives you a skill that you can feed yourself on for a lifetime, and it keeps you away from all the noise out there that's talking about making $500 a day by watching a video on YouTube. Like, come on, it doesn't exist. Right? So again, this is the unsexy stuff, but the good stuff. So I highly, highly recommend this option because in here there are so many avenues to make money with, right? And of course, my last thing here is just why haven't I included other options? That's because they're gimmicks and they're a waste of your time. Don't recommend them. I will never recommend them because this journey is too important for you to get scattered. And these are the areas I will stay within if it were me, because time and time again, they have proven to make money and do it reliably well every single year. So, all right, guys, I'm going to include a copy of this document in the video. But again, these are the methods I feel will help you make the most money online in 2022. And I'm excited to go deeper into these options. And until next time, guys, y'all take care. Bye.